up, guys? Welcome back to the new video. We're ripping it at Sasquatch again. I'm gonna be testing out some new bindings here. Got the Cartel X's. I just picked these up yesterday. Gonna be trying them out today. I think they're gonna be pretty freaking sick. What's up, man? What are you the first day on Earth? Bro, that video's, dude, it blew up. Yeah. These bindings already feel locked in. Haven't even done anything yet. They just feel locked in. Definitely wet. That is 100p. She is a wet one today. I like these already. Oh yeah. These feel good. They're so responsive. Holy. These things are so responsive. Woohoo! These things are responsive. Whoa, that's instantly slows down. Woo! Just no speed. Ooh. Huh. Cannot lie, absolutely love these bindings. They feel so comfortable. And the responsiveness on these things, holy dude, they're sick. Like I can just literally put the board anywhere just for that one run. It felt so nice. If anyone wondering what my stance is, was running 21.5, -9 posi 12 on the front foot. But now with these bindings running 22 between feet. But yeah, I usually don't really change it. What I'm running on my powder board too. It's just kind of versatile, like it works for everything for me. I like it. Oh, it feels nice. I love these things already. Ooh. Woo. Oh yeah, feels so good. Leg kind of hurts still. Trying to see if we keep our speed up for this. Oh no. Look at that. Dead stop. Are you kidding me? Oh, Jesus. Well, this sucks. I can't believe how much this snow just slows you down. You literally go nowhere. We're gonna push like this. I can push like that. Push like with my foot forward, like a skateboard. That don't hurt for some reason. Let's get back at it. Try this little thing right here. Give her a go. no speed. You literally get 0 speed. See how the park is. Oh, they got features. You got a little something, something. Oh, actually, no. Yeah, that rail seemed good on the like run up, but as soon as I saw like the kind of on the sides, and with how grippy the snow is, if I like flipped out a little bit, totally would have fucking ate shit. Today would be sick if it wasn't freaking raining, man. Oh well, we're here for a good time, not a long time. Also, that hip at the top, too grippy. Okay, maybe it might be good now. Maybe, I don't know. My front threes, I gotta have more hinge in my upper body, I think. I don't have enough hinge when I pop. I have that upper hinge. Yeah, let's try and get this front three down. See if we can get it. Kind of worked. I mean, not what I'm looking for. Yeah, dude. See if I can hit this now. Oh. Okay, let's try it off something like this. Oh, it's too grippy. I just slow it right down. It's too grippy right now. It just digs right in. That's so funny. Oh. Let's play it safe. Call it a day. Don't want to hurt myself. You know, play it safe. Call it a day.